Dave Porter with Vouch Video. When it comes to roofing contractors in Bucks County, roofing contractors in Montgomery County, if you're looking for a roofing and siding professional, I'm standing with Matt and Joe from Phase 4 Contracting. Your team has been recognized as one of the best in Bucks County and Montgomery County. I'm really excited to finally meet with you. Your company continues to grow. I've been online personally and I've seen everything that they've said about your company. They could not say enough good things about your company. Maybe in your own words, why do you think people are coming to you today, and why does your company continue to grow?
Bottom line is people trust us, and we do a great job. We're on time. We're very efficient when it comes to running a project. I have Joe, who's my project manager and runs the roofing and siding department, and he does an excellent job.
We've heard about you, Joe. 30 years of experience as one of the finest roofing and siding contractors in Bucks and Montgomery County. What does it take to pull off a job, well-coordinated job like this?
Just takes trust in your workers. You know, basically, you know, from start to finish. You know, you got to be able to trust them. You can't always babysit them because, you know, you have other jobs to look at and so forth and so on. But, you know, it comes along with good quality workers, and then you're going to have a good quality job.
What I'm most impressed about is the coordination. I mean, but at the end of the day, I don't want to understate the importance of the products that you're installing. I've come to understand GAF certified and Owens Corning preferred for your products. Tell me what that means as far as using these types of products.
Basically, it just means that, you know, the people are going to get a good product and they have a limited lifetime warranty. Obviously, this is a certainteed product that we're using today. The bigger names, you're going to get a better project.
They would be the people I'd go with. There's no question about it.
Okay.
In fact, I'll probably go with them on some of the work that has to be done on the inside now that the outside's done.
It's not just the large commercial roofing projects or large siding projects, commercial siding projects for builders. It's homeowners you're servicing, Matt. You know, you're taking that same care that you have on these large projects to homeowners today. Tell me what it takes to actually work with a homeowner.
We do what we say, and that's the bottom line. Is at the end of the day, they want to make sure they have a good product and the project's run efficiently. It's not going to take months and months and months, and we do everything we say.
There's a lot of fly-by-night contractors out there gouging homeowners today. You really want to make sure you find someone, like you said, you can trust, and when it comes to pricing, what should people know?
They need to know that they're going to get a fair price and everything's going to be warranty, and if there's a problem, we're going to answer our phones. And it could be 5 years from now, 10 years from now, we answer our phones, and you know, normally they'll be happy after that.
You're finding and hiring the best. I definitely know both of you are in this for the long term. You're definitely not a fly-by-night contractor. You're fully certified and insured. You want someone, when it comes to your contracting needs, that you can trust, that's going to stand behind the product, provide good quality products at the end of the day, and treat people fairly, right, guys?
Bottom line.
Yep.
Thanks, Matt,
Thank
Joe,
you.
thank you guys.
Thank you.